First up, it was our bus. Don't have it. We had to go looking for another place for vacuum belts. So on the road. Hey guys, what up? On this episode of being a Trini Tech, it's going to be a little different. We actually not really going to fix anything, although today I had to make 2 visits to customers' houses. Today is basically grocery shopping. So on the list here, I had to go El Socorro, Barataria, Shogunas, right? And I also have to do a drop off. So today's a day where we face Trinidad traffic. Yeah. So stay tuned and you will see how this day goes. Alright guys, so first up, it was our bus. Don't have it. We had to go looking for another place for vacuum belts. So on the road again. Alright, second stop for the day. Still no luck with the belts. But I did get parts for the cake mixers and stuff like that. So that's a plus. Still had a head Shogunas now. So hopefully it shouldn't have no traffic. It shouldn't that, hopefully, right? Hey guys, guess what? Success. I now finished a detour into Port of Spain, but I did get the vacuum belts, so we on game. So now it's lunchtime and I have to go Shogunas. So beat traffic, Shogunas, at 3 stops to make in Shogunas, and then back up the road. Hey guys, so I now got some parts, right? In Shogunas. So far we get all the parts we wanted. Is to head now. Currently I'm waiting on the person to drop off the kitchen mixer for, and then I'm heading by one client and then up the road to finish off some repairs. So still ain't it yet, and it's done what, after 2 minutes. It's about 2 o'clock. So need to hurry up and put something in my stomach. Alright?